Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore how to use conditional logic or logic jump. So what is logic jump? Logic jump allows you to redirect your users based on their answers, creating a dynamic quiz flow. Instead of every user answering every question, users are redirected to relevant questions. For example, you run a skincare brand that caters to both men and women. Using conditional logic, you can create two separate quiz flows, one for men and the other for women. Here's how to do it. Go to Conditional Logic and click Get Started. Select the question you want to branch from. For example, what's your gender? Select the operator type. For this example, I am choosing as value. Under the selected option, select the answer. I am choosing male. Set the action, jump to. And then under Jump Target, select the first question designed for men, like select your skin type. This way, male users are directed into their own customized quiz path. You can also layer additional conditions. For example, if the users select male plus dry skin, redirect them to a set of questions designed specifically for dry skin users. If the users select female plus oily skin, redirect them to questions and product recommended suited for oily skin. Over time, you can build multiple branches, ensuring every user gets a personalized journey. Once saved, so you can clearly see how your logic is structured. This makes it easy to test, tweak, and expand your quiz without confusion. And that's it. You have set up your first logic jump in Quizify. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.